Hi everybody, my name is Andy with etrailer.com, and today we're taking a look at the Water Dragon underwater blue LED light. If you're looking to replace underwater light to your boat, or maybe add an underwater light to your boat, this might be a good option for you to consider. Let's take a closer look at this light. Now, this LED underwater light has, as you can see, 3 diodes, and those diodes are going to be blue, and it's going to give you a nice blue light for your boat. It's going to be nice and bright. And let me give you a brief demonstration of what you can expect when you use this light. I just went ahead and turned the power on, and as you can see, those 3 diodes give you a nice bright blue light. And I'm going to turn my studio lights off here to kind of give you an idea of what kind of light it gives. And this is over my hand, and again, it's nice and bright. And I'm going to go for a wide view here, and it really gives my studio a nice blue light. I like blue, that's my favorite color, so this really provides a nice blue light. It's going to look great on your boat. It's going to look great underwater. While I'm at a wide view here, let me kick my lights back on here in the studio. And again, really gives you an idea of how those 3 diodes really light things up. Now, these LEDs obviously are going to be power efficient, energy efficient, especially over incandescent bulbs. They're going to be long lasting. They're going to be vibration resistant. And what we see here is these LEDs are sealed in a waterproof housing. So let me kind of give you a close-up of that. I'm going to take this off here real quick just to give you an overview of that. So we see that these diodes are in a nice sealed waterproof housing. This clear lens is going to be impact resistant, and the circuit board inside is of a military grade construction. So this is going to be rugged, and it's going to really take a lot of punishment. If I haven't mentioned it already, the light output is 1500 lumens, and the urethane potting inside is going to offer better protection than common epoxy potting and controlling the heat transfer inside of the light itself. And it does have thermal protection safeguards against overheating. Now, the housing here is going to be of die-cast aluminum, and then it does have this stainless steel cover. It's a 316 stainless steel. So what that means, it's going to be more resistant to pitting and corrosion. Now, this light is going to be compatible with 12 volt and 24 volt DC systems. And this is as you can see, a surface mount installation. And the hardware is not included, so you would have to source your installation hardware locally. And this will hardwire to your application. And the blue wire, it's a 2-wire installation. The blue wire would be for power, and the black wire would be your ground. Give you some idea of measurements here. Let me pull out my ruler. Now, the overall length of this light, I'm going to try to keep this gasket together with it as well. We are sitting right at about a little over 4 inches, about 4 1/8 inches long. And then in regards to the width, we are sitting right at, and it flares out just a little bit, so we're sitting right at about 1.5 inches wide. In regards to the thickness, without that rubber gasket, you're going to be sitting right at about 5/8 of an inch. And then let me take this off and show you the distance between the mounting holes. We're going to be sitting right at about 3¼ inches between those mounting holes. Now the input voltage of this light is going to be 9 volt to 30 volt, and the power draw is going to be 0.6 to 0.73 amps. And then the wire length here is going to be 36 inches long. And this does have a limited lifetime warranty. Now again, this is a blue 3-diode LED light. We do have the white option available. You can find that on our website, item number TN82ZR. And if you're looking for a green option, I'm happy to say we have that available at etrailer.com as well. You can find the green one, item number TN54RR. Well, that's going to conclude our look today at the Water Dragon Underwater Blue LED light. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.